Hi everyone, welcome to YourPedia. This is Chandrasekhar, faculty of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at YourPedia. In this video, I am going to give you 25 previously asked ISRO interview questions for the branch of Electrical and Electronics Engineering from the subject Electrical Machines. The very important subjects for the preparation of ISRO interview in the branch of electrical engineering are electrical machines, power system, power electronics, electrical measurements, network analysis and control systems. Okay, so from the subject electrical machines, 25 previously asked interview questions I'm going to give you. Yeah, let's enter into the video. See, electrical machines, again the important the total topics are transformer, synchronous machine, induction and DC. In these four, if you ask me, sir, what are the very important machines are transformer, synchronous, then induction, last is DC. But I suggest all of you to prepare each and every corner. Don't leave any corner. Okay, why? Because every machine is having its own application. Okay, even DC machine is also having very good applications. Some people will say DC machines are not having that much use. No, at some places DC machines are really useful for us. Therefore, I suggest all of you to prepare all the corners. Why? Because you are going for one of the prestigious organization in India, that is Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, right? So I always suggest you to prepare very well. So these are the previously asked questions, 25 previously asked questions. The very first question is what are different types of transformer? For this question is subjective, means suppose if you, depending on the construction, the classification will be core type and shell type. But see, another way of classification is normal transformer and two winding transformer and auto transformer. That is one way of classification. Another way of classification is I can say you can say like a power transformer and distribution transformer. Another way of classification is normal transformer and pulse transformer. And another way of classification is normal transformer and isolation transformer. Sometimes a transformer can be used for the purpose of isolation, you can find in your power electronic circuits, and sometimes transformer is used for I can say impedance matching also, right? So transformer is having different applications. So different, based on different criteria, as the classification is different. The question asked, yes, this is the previously asked question, what are the different types of transformer? Second question is what is an auto transformer? They may extend the question. Suppose if you tell the answer what is an auto transformer, then how this voltage step up or step down is taking place in an auto transformer, what is the advantage of auto transformer compared to two winding transformer? This kind of questions will be asked, right? And they may ask you to draw the auto transformer normal schematic diagram, electrical equivalent circuit or schematic diagram or its phasor diagram, and about turns ratio, K, transformation ratio. So these things. And you know, auto transformer works on both the conduction as well as induction. How much percentage is conduction, how much percentage is induction, like that they keep on digging from that question, right? The third question is draw BH curve of a transformer. Transformer uses magnetic core, that is a core material is made up of CRGO, silicon, cold rolled grain oriented steel, not silicon please, cold rolled grain oriented steel. Silicon is also added to reduce eddy current losses, but very little amount of silicon is added to reduce eddy current losses, to reduce the conductivity of I can say this magnetic core of transformer. So that fellow asked BH curve, you have to draw the BH curve, what is the importance of it, and that fellow may link this BH curve with iron losses, especially hysteresis losses, right? Next question, what are the applications of synchronous motor? Yes, a synchronous motor can be used as synchronous condenser. Yes, synchronous condenser, that is one of the application. Another application is where constant speed applications are there, synchronous motor is preferred. Synchronous motor advantage is we can control its power factor. See, we can operate a synchronous machine, either motor or generator, at any power factor of our requirement, right? That is advantage. So that is the next question. See, please mark my words, these are the previously asked questions, okay, from electrical machines. What is differentially compound DC motor? Yeah, cumulatively compound and differentially compound motor, and what are the applications of differentially compound motor? See, this video I am not going for complete explanation of each and every question. I am giving you the idea how the questions will be asked and how you have to answer, right? Yeah, Next, which motor is used in traction, in electric traction? See, once upon a time, olden days, DC motor was used, DC series motor in fact, but these days the traction is using induction motors in fact. So why those times, even these days also some of the motors are DC series motors only. Why DC series motors are used? What are the advantage of DC series motors? And now we are using the new coming locos of railway locomotives are coming with the induction motor. What it made for to install induction motor? Previously, why we didn't use induction motor? That this way a lot of questions will be asked, right? Next, which supply is used in traction and why? Yes, which supply, DC supply is used in traction and why it is? So that kind of questions will be asked. Importance of zigzag transformer. Yes, zigzag transformer. Connection of zigzag star in secondary. Yes, they will ask you to. Zigzag transformer is very, very important. And open delta connection of transformer. Special test on transformer. Okay, Sampanus test. Okay, Sampanus type test. Yes, there is a test called type test and tan delta test. Yes, different type tests on the transformer. What is constant voltage transformer? Yeah, what is a constant voltage transformer? What is CVT? Okay, capacitive voltage transformer. This kind of questions will be asked. Internal and external protection of transformer. How to protect transformer from various internal faults and external faults. That is the one possible question. Next, internal protection of air cooled transformer. Yes, he is saying it is not oil cooled, it is air cooled. Whether Buchholz relay can be used or not in air cooled transformer. Buchholz relay cannot be used. Buchholz relay is the relay which is going to recognize the oil level in the transformer. If oil level reduces, then it is going to raise an alarm. Okay, it is not going to give any trip signal to circuit breaker, right? Next, yeah, where it's not here, it is where Buchholz relay is installed in the transformer. This is where. Okay, where means exactly in suppose if you take transformer tank, there will be conservator, there are bushings, there are windings, a lot of things. Where exactly the Buchholz relay is located in the transformer. Yeah, why conservator in transformer? What is the purpose of conservator tank? In fact, what is the purpose of conservator tank in transformer? Conservator tank in transformer. Draw BH curve of practical and ideal transformer. Yes, this is one of the very important question. Ideal transformer and practical transformer, BH curve. Next, constructional difference between power transformer and pulse transformer. Yes, very good question. This is, see, pulse transformer, it is going to operate at high frequency. Its core material is different from normal transformer, and it is going to operate at high frequency. Yes, high frequency. And see, here I can say the constructional details of pulse transformer are different from construction of two winding transformer. Why? Because the purpose of the pulse transformer is completely different from the two winding transformer, right? So you must have, if you know the purpose, okay, and for what purpose it is used, then you can get the idea how it is to be constructed, which material is to be used, and all those things, right? Next, different types of losses in transformer. We have hysteresis losses, eddy current losses, and in fact iron losses and copper losses. In this way we are going to divide iron losses and copper losses. And there are other losses also, dielectric material losses. Yes, dielectric material losses, and I can say other types of small losses which we can ignore, right? Yes, come here. Next, in electrical traction, which supply is used and why? We know that. What is the armature reaction? Yes, armature reaction is very important. Yes, armature reaction is really very important. Okay, in DC machine as well as in synchronous machine, in these two machines it is important. And a question can be asked, does in transformer armature reaction is there or not there? This kind of question also can be asked. Okay, if there, you have to justify your statement. If not there, you have to justify your statement. Okay, yeah. Next, and this kind of question also can be asked, why three-phase transformer, three-phase induction motor is rotating magnetic field is produced in three-phase induction motor. Why three-phase rotating magnetic field is not produced in transformer? If you know how the construction difference of transformer and induction machine, then you will be able to say, and how rotating magnetic field is produced in three-phase induction motor, then you will be able to tell the answer why three-phase rotating magnetic field is not produced in transformer, right? Next, about current transformer. Yes, the current transformer and PT, potential transformer. Mainly this current transformer is very, very important in our power system, also power system, especially in protection, right? Next, error in current transformer. Yes, there will be error in current transformer. What is that error, how it is coming, then how to what is the formula for that, these kind of things. Next, there is a difference between current transformer that is used for protection, that is used for measurement. There is a difference. What is the difference between the current transformer that is used in protection, that is used in measurement, right? Next question is starting methods of induction machine. So I suggest all of you to have good idea about the starting methods of all machines, all three machines: synchronous machine, induction machine, and DC machine. So these are the 25 previously asked ISRO questions in interview. Yeah, from my previous students, I collected these questions over the past years of ISRO. So here I won't say that same questions will be asked, but the way the question is asked, from that question, how they are going to extend, what you have to answer, how you have to answer, how you have to prepare, is the main motto of this video. Okay, so YourPedia is a very good platform for your snap interview preparation. So once you join with YourPedia for your interview preparation, we'll be taking your snap interview. What is a snap interview? Let me tell you, that is every day a faculty will be given slot for you to join with him on Zoom. 1-to-1 it is, not for mass, it is for 1-to-1. So you will be given particular time, you will be joining, then faculty will ask you some questions, first 10 to 15 minutes, in the last 5 to 10 minutes faculty will be giving you feedback, that is for which question, what you answered, what you have to answer. Okay, after that, so there is no limitation on these snap interviews. For any number of snap interviews you can attend, but after snap interviews we will be taking you mock interviews. The mock interviews are similar to the actual interviews which are conducted at ISRO. So this mock interviews will exactly mimic the actual interviews that is going to be conducted at ISRO. It really helpful for you for your preparation of ISRO. Thank you. If you have any queries regarding your interview preparation, or if you want this PDF document, please message me through WhatsApp on this number. Yes, on this number, definitely I'll reply for all your queries. Thank you.